52-year-old Jean Dodio is a resident of Kigali City in Nyarugenge sector. In 2003, he was hit by an unidentified vehicle and spent 3 years in a coma in hospital. After regaining consciousness, he followed up on his case to be compensated. He got a file from the National Police, and there were witnesses that testified before the Special Guarantee Fund on how he was knocked in order to be paid. However, he was told that he had taken too long to present his case, and up to now, he hasn't been compensated. I spent 3 years in Sehashka, from where I went to Ruhengeri for a year, and after feeling a bit better, I went to report after being told there's a special fund by the government that compensates accident victims. When I gave them the police report, I was told I took too long to declare it. I explained that I didn't have a caretaker, but I was told I was late. The other challenge I got is that I gave someone my photocopied documents to have them notified, but my originals are with the fund, so I don't have anyone to help me, so I've remained in limbo. It's also a common problem for some of the most vulnerable or those whose property is destroyed by wild animals from national parks, as well as animals that are a danger to human life. The management of the Special Guarantee Fund indicates that delay in payment is due to some lacking required documents and those seeking compensation when they are not legal beneficiaries. Dr. Nzabonikuza Joseph, the Director General of the Special Fund, explains the requirements needed for those whose property has been destroyed by wild animals, as well as those injured by unidentified or uninsured vehicles for compensation. If a person reports an accident to the police, the evidence is still there. Even if the victim went to hospital with his or her family or other caregivers, if he or she is unaware of it and forgets about it and comes after a year, it's difficult for us to follow it up. So whoever faces such a challenge should report to police and give us all the information. And for those whose property was destroyed by wild animals, they should report to local authorities immediately.
baduhe amakuru yizewe y'imvaho kandi dushobora kuverifya vuba.
From 2019, the cost of reimbursement to the population whose harvest was destroyed by wild animals has been increased by 5%. From 2015 to May 2020, the Special Fund received 1,074 claims for accidents caused by unidentified or uninsured vehicles. Among these, 212 files were cross-checked and were ruled unfounded, and the remaining ones were paid over 2.885 billion Rwanda francs. From 2015 to May 2020, the fund received 9,994 cases of property damage by wild animals. 595 cases were rejected after investigations, and the remainder were paid over 985 million.